Good morning, everyone, and a very happy Saturday. It's a sunny Saturday, it's summer, and what we can do better with a cool, refreshing drink. So, we are back here at Mirch Masala with Chef Sarabjit Singh, and today he's going to show us some very nice, refreshing drinks and cocktails and mocktails. સો શેફ આજે આપણે શું કરવાના છે? બહુ જ ગરમી પડી રહી છે બહાર અને બધા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ પિકનિકમાં પણ જઈ રહ્યા છે. સો વોટ ઇઝ ધ બેટર વે ઓફ રિફ્રેશિંગ એટ પેટિયો ઓર અ નાઇસ પિકનિક પ્લેસ?
આપણે આજે તમને ડિફરન્ટ કોકટેલ્સની રેસીપી બનાવીશ અને આવા સની વેધરમાં હોટ વેધરમાં કેવી રીતે પોતાને કૂલ ડાઉન રાખવા છે એ તમને બતાવીશ. અને નો મેન્ડેટરી કે કોકટેલ જ હોય. કોકટેલ મોકટેલ કેવી રીતે બની શકે, મોકટેલ કોકટેલ કેવી રીતે બની શકે, બંને મિક્સ એન્ડ મેચ આપણે રેસીપી કરીશું.
That is what we want.
Right? And as again, we always put the wow factor, and that will always will be there.
Perfect.
And we're gonna start soon. And if you have any question before I start.
No, actually, just wanted to remind everybody that lockdown third phase fully gone che, even including in Peel. So Mirch Masala is open for dine-in now.
Yes.
And but you do have to call and make reservations. And ઘણી બધી ગરદી થઈ રહી છે અહીંયા આગળ. And they are open 4 to 12, I guess.
4 to 12 this weekend. We are open 4 to 12 till midnight, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And from next week we start opening for lunch as well, but we will keep you posted. So for now we opening 4 to 12 every day till Monday. And if you wanna come and join the patio or dine-in, please make a reservation because we have limited seating and we have to keep the social distancing. So our sitting capacity is in a half. So please do make us a call, give us a call and make a reservation before you come.
Perfect. Because like we were just waiting for this opportunity, I guess. So let's start and cool us down with some refreshing drinks here. Already બધું prepare કરેલું છે chef. So we can start. So how are we going to start, chef?
Okay.
First,
I gonna make you. People always thinks how we can make cocktails out of milk.
Wow. Yeah.
I gonna show you how to make the cocktails out of milk. So first one is we gonna make is brandy milk mule.
Interesting.
Right?
Now
So
interesting.
Is but if you are not drinking alcohol, so I will show you how not to use alcohol in it. So what we gonna do? We gonna start the brandy milk mule. So first we gonna get this shaker. We will put a couple of ice cubes in it. Keep a decent ice cubes because it's a sunny, hot weather, and in this recipe we're gonna use a 3 ounce of milk. 1, 2, 3 ounce of milk. 1 ounce of 35% cream. And in this one we will drop just the 2 drops of vanilla extract. Right? And in this one either you can use simple syrup. Simple syrup is like a half equal amount of sugar and water. Or if you don't want to use the simple syrup, you always can use a honey. So this time we are going to use a simple syrup. Just 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. Right. I will make a recipe double because we have few people here, so we can taste it later on. Now with the stir, we will stir it. Simple syrup went in. And this one, we're gonna use a brandy. So instead of brandy, I'll give a little orange flavor. I know lots of people don't drink in the morning, So I will avoid to put a liquor in this time, but you always use, you can put a Grand Marnier in it and serve it. So this is our first cocktail, and we are gonna show you how to garnish it. This one, put that one strawberry on it. And this one, we're gonna add a little bit of nutmeg on top, just a pinch for garnishing,
Jaipur.
right? Just a tiny bit, and cinnamon stick on it. And I'm gonna add just a touch of strawberry syrup in it to just give a little color. This is your brandy milk mullet. Very easy recipe. Looks great when you serve it.
Oh,
So it's made out from the cream and milk.
perfect.
So alcoholic people, I'm sorry, not alcoholic people who loves alcohol, always can put Grand Marnier, a shot of Grand Marnier, 1 ounce of Grand Marnier in it. It will give you very decent flavor to this drink. So I'm not putting any drink. Guys, you like, તમને ગમે છે? So I can put a shot of.
Yeah, later.
Okay, no problem.
We can have it later.
No problem. So ઘણા લોકો મને પૂછે કે દેશી સ્ટાઇલ ડ્રિંક, દેશી સ્ટાઇલ મોકટેલ કેવી રીતે બની શકે? તો આજે તમને દેશી સ્ટાઇલ ક્યુકમ્બર જીરા સોડા તમને બતાવીશ.
Wow. Yeah,
Right?
jeera soda સાંભળ્યું છે પણ cucumber સાથે it
Cucumber
is,
jeera soda.
something very
I will show you
interesting.
how to make a jeera cucumber soda. So in this one, this is the second
Cucumber is,
recipe
yeah,
we have.
always very refreshing, especially in summer. Cucumbers, we have a lot of cucumbers.
So I'm gonna add some ice in it. This is ice. We're gonna get some cucumber. As you say, I diced cucumber in it, ice. Right. This is, I have a toasted jeera powder. So I can add some toasted jeera powder in it. Right. And I will muddle it. Where is my muddle? I'm gonna muddle it. I will put it here and I'll show you. You have to crush it down. So break the ice and cucumber. I need to use some hand harder. So see how it's getting crushed up. It's jeera, cucumber. You want to muddle it down with ice and cucumber. Right. It's crushed up. Now we're gonna add some lime, chopped up lime in it. Just a little bit chopped up lime. I'm gonna wash this here. Chopped up lime, I put it right now. A few leaves of mint. We're gonna add it. This is of mint. Bit of sugar. Couple of teaspoons of sugar and a black salt. Black salt. And you muddle it down again. Little bit of squeezed lime. See how is the liquid becomes a liquid. So we need in this stage we will add a little bit Sprite, soda, some soda water, Sprite and ginger ale, and we're gonna give a good stir. This is jeera cucumber soda, and you can add slice of lime in it. And I have some berry syrup. Garnish with the berry. This is our cucumber jeera soda.
એકવાર આપણે રિપીટ કરી જશું કે આમાં શું તમે નાખ્યું?
આમાં આપણે
ઘણા બધા ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સ નાખ્યા છે.
cucumber
હા હા.
અને આઈસ નાખીને પહેલા મડલ કરી લીધું છે.
Okay.
We muddle it with the ice and cucumber diced. Then I put the toasted jeera powder,
Okay.
black salt,
Mhm.
and the sugar.
Uh-huh.
Then I mix it together. Then I added a little bit of lime juice, club soda, Sprite, and ginger.
Perfect. Perfect.
Right. This is our jeera cucumber
And you
soda.
garnished it with
With the
berry
mint-
and
berry and the just the
mint
leaves.
Yeah.
You can
Yes.
add mint leaves in it if you want, but if you don't want to add it, you can leave as it is.
Yeah, cucumber and mint નું combination
That's
tasty તો લાગે છે. Yeah.
Right. So that's other. Now third one I gonna move into a strawberry kiss.
Wow. Strawberries.
It's very popular, very refreshing. So I will show you how to do the strawberry kiss. For do that, we need some strawberries chopped up. Let me wash my noodle jar here. So for that, we're gonna use a cocktail shaker. Cocktail shaker. We'll chop some strawberries in it. We'll add some strawberry syrup. Now in this one, we will add, I have somewhere here. Simple syrup, just the sugar and water mixture. Simple syrup. We'll add some more ice. Shake a bit on it. This one, we'll add a little bit of melon liqueur. This is alcohol in it, so it's not too much alcohol. A little bit alcohol and half ounce of gin. So we're gonna add some half ounce of gin. ounce of triple sec. Basically, triple sec is orange flavor liqueur, so give an orange flavor. So strawberry and gin goes with very well.
This is basically an alcohol.
Yeah.
You
So
cannot
this is
make
okay.
it
You can
without.
avoid it if you want. So and as I said, garnishing and selection of the glass is very important.
Right.
So you see how we are using the different glasses. So we're gonna use this tall. This is called old fashioned glass. So in this, to finish this, we might need some pineapple juice in it. See how the icy is it?
Yeah.
Can you see how thick
And
and
the
icy?
colors.
Yes.
Like the different shades.
Right. So how icy is, to give a little more color into it, I will add a little bit of coconut syrup in it.
Coconut syrup. That is interesting.
Coconut syrup. Garnish. Strawberry.
Woohoo!
Look at it.
Fantastic.
So this is
Wow.
a strawberry kiss.
Summer and umbrella. So here we come. This is nice.
So you have a milk and brandy moulet,
Yeah.
cucumber.
આમાં આપણે કયા ingredients નાખ્યા છે?
આમાં આપણે
થોડા ફટાફટ.
સ્ટ્રોબેરી ચોપ કરી છે,
હા.
સ્ટ્રોબેરી સિરપ નાખ્યું છે.
Okay.
આપણે આમાં થોડું સિમ્પલ સિરપ જે કે મિક્સચર ઓફ શુગર એન્ડ વોટર છે એ નાખ્યું છે, આઈસ નાખી છે અને થોડું પાઇનેપલ જ્યુસ છે.
Perfect.
And if you want to add some more thin it down, you can always add ginger or Sprite in it
Okay.
to thin it down. And I have a gin, half shot of gin. I have a melon liqueur, half ounce, and a triple sec.
Perfect.
Is all mild liquor છે, કંઈ હાર્ડ નહીં, તમને ખબર બી નહીં પડે જ્યારે તમે ડ્રિંક કરશો. વેરી સ્મૂથ છે.
So people who don't want to get drunk can have this,
Right.
but who really want to get drunk can put more.
They can put more.
Okay.
Right.
That's nice.
So this is your another thing.
Perfect.
Now sunset. I'm gonna show you sunset. Very simple, easy recipe, and I don't need to use
Yeah, like a
nothing.
combination of colors too.
Yes. So this is, as I said, all different colors. When you want to impress your guest at home with the different cocktails, so you don't want to give a one kind of color
True.
drinks
True.
to your guests. So you want to give all different color
Yeah.
things
so
to your guest.
it's like rainbow.
Right. So
Somebody
these are
rainbow.
white. We have a green. We have red. Now we're gonna make a sunset.
Perfect.
So sunset basically is a very easy. How people, lots of people say, how you make a sunset? How you do this? It's not hard at all. We're gonna put some ice. We're gonna add some orange juice, pineapple juice, and just finishing with the This is a very easy recipe, sunset.
This is really interesting, and it's so quick, and the shades
Okay.
Wow.
Just very easy and simple recipe.
Can we just repeat
Just
the
we have orange
ingredients?
juice, pineapple juice, and a grenadine on it. That's it. Nothing else. Just mixture of juices,
Like, how do you come up with this?
right? So it's very easy. It's not too complicated. As you see, all different colorful drinks is on front.
Yeah.
People like it. People like to enjoy it when they see like this kind of drink. They always
Very
think,
tempting.
oh wow, how to make this? How to make? It's not hard at all. You can make it home. You can enjoy it, and you can very simple way. You don't need too many ingredients. You can buy fruits. You can buy cucumber.
Totally, totally.
Right?
I can totally see myself tonight having this glass of drink near my patio with nice enjoying sunset. Very nice.
Another thing, I gonna give you another desi recipe.
Desi recipe. All
Desi-
are loving it.
So this is a one desi. This is all continental French style drinks we have.
Mhm.
Another recipe I gonna give is elaichi mule. Elaichi flavor.
This is also kind of a mule,
This
right?
is a mule. This is a milk
Yeah,
and brandy mule.
yeah. And now we are going to have
Elaichi
elaichi mule. Wow.
Right. So I gonna show
So
you elaichi
it's a
mule.
dessert or it's a cocktail. Figure it out.
Right. So to make an elaichi mule, right, we will add some elaichi powder I have here. Elaichi powder, some ice. Right. And same thing, I will muddle it.
Mm-hmm.
Ice and elaichi. You can use the whole elaichi if you want, but I will use the later.
So right now it is doing crushing,
Crushing
ice
the
with,
ice, elaichi,
powder.
elaichi powder, right? So all the flavor will come out. And you will be surprised. This will be a little bit not as sweet, just sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy, right?
Wow, that is
So
interesting. તો સાહેબ આપણે પહેલેથી ક્રશ અગર લીધેલો હોય
હા તમે
ice,
ક્રશ
અને પછી આપણે ખાલી એલચી પાવડર
એટલી-
નાખી દે તો એટલી ફ્લેવર
હા,
આવશે
તમે
કે
ક-
નો ઇફ યુ ડુ ઇટ ધીસ વે
તમારે ક્રશ સાથે કરશો તો વધારે ફ્લેવર આવશે અને અનધર તમે ક્રશ કરીને મૂકશો આઈસને પહેલા
હમ.
તો એ મેલ્ટ જલ્દી થઈ જશે
રાઈટ એટલે
So,
this
this
is
is a
a
better way
perfect trick.
to you always get an ice cubes and muddle it with the drinks you wanna make it. That's the best way, right? So હવે આપણે
એટલે આઈસ અને ડ્રિંક અલગ
Ice.
અલગ ના થઈ જાય
That's right.
તો લાઈક આઈસી
Right.
આઈસી
that's right.
વોટરી થઈ જાય જરા.
So it will be a more watery,
Makes sense.
and then see how the strawberry is coming nice and thick.
Yeah.
So that's the way you want it.
અને તો ઉપર જ્યુસ
That's-
તરવા માંડે ને આઈસ નીચે બેસી જાય
Right. So આપણે હવે આને થોડું પિસ્તા એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાખીશું.
પિસ્તા એક્સ્ટ્રાક્ટ
Yes.
Okay.
પિસ્તા ફ્લેવર તમે ફ્રેશ પિસ્તા બી નાખી શકો, રાઈટ, બટ આપણે નથી નાખ્યું. એમાં jalapeno sauce.
Wow. Like I can't
Nobody
even
ever
imagine.
thought.
Yeah, that is what I won't even imagine okay, how elchi and jalapeno can
Right.
go together.
So we're gonna put some.
So it's elchi, pista, and jalapeno.
That's right. And we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime. Just don't over because it's a little sweet and spicy side.
Mhm.
We're gonna add a little bit to balance
Just
the
think
mix.
of it.
Yes. Okay. Now add a little bit of ginger ale and Sprite. You're gonna mix it up.
Why are we using both? Like, or can we use either?
You can either. I'm keeping the best because
તેઓનો થોડો ટેસ્ટ
right. So So if you want to just ginger ale, you can use ginger ale. But if you want to use just Sprite, you can use it. This is a Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna drop a couple of drops. And
So,
2 drops of Tabasco.
yeah. So just so that everybody knows, Worcester sauce, if you guys are pure vegetarian, you want to avoid it because it has
Yes.
fish oil.
Yeah. Right. So this is a drink. Put a lime as a garnish.
Yeah.
And you also can put some mint leaves in it if you want as a garnish.
Yeah, mint goes with everything, in
Right.
fact.
So while it sits, it will give you a little bit of flavor of it.
Perfect.
See, so as you can see,
Beautiful.
every has a different color in it.
Most beautiful દેખાય છે. Wow. Smells also different. એટલે એલચીની એટલી બધી જે strong flavor હોય એને jalapeno એ થોડી subside
That's
કરી
right.
નાખી.
It balance, yes.
હા, એટલે
ઇલાયચી overpower ના કરે એટલા માટે જ આપણે એની અંદર jalapenos નાખ્યા છે.
very nice.
Right.
Do you mind repeating again once
So
more
this
for
is
our viewers?
this one has that just the elaichi, muddle it with the ice.
Mhm.
Then I added a little bit of pista flavor into it,
Yeah.
and then I added Sprite and ginger ale,
And jalapeno.
jalapenos,
Perfect.
and little touch of lime, just
Yeah,
touch of lime.
yeah.
That's it, nothing else. So that's another drink,
Very
right?
nice.
So
Very
now,
nice.
last one I gonna make is
So you guys are getting bonus. Really, he is out and everything.
berry bumble. So mixture of berries,
Mhm.
berries bumble. So that's amazing recipe. You can use alcohol in it. You don't, but I will avoid because if you already make one alcohol, nobody gonna drink this morning.
I know.
So I'll make
I
it
plan
mocktail,
to.
but I will exactly show you what needs to be done if you have to make it with the alcohol,
Alright.
right? Okay. So again, I'm gonna get ice. We're gonna get the raspberries in it. There's a raspberry there. A blueberry. A sugar, bit of sugar. And we're gonna put a shaker on it. Shaker. We'll add into now is all crushed up the berries. We'll add a bit of blueberry puree, strawberry puree, not opening. And we're gonna mix it up now. We're gonna add now cranberry juice. And a bit of pineapple. And I will use for this drink a tall wine glass.
Right.
This is berry bumble,
Berry bumble.
right? So
Yes.
all berries you can put it now for a garnish. Really, I would like to drop slice of strawberries in it. Right. And this is red orange slice on it. There is your berry.
Wow. Wow. This is really amazing. Because we made so much this side. Do you want to repeat the ingredients
Okay.
here?
Berry bubble has a fresh raspberry,
Mhm.
fresh blueberry, fresh strawberry. We put in a shaker with the ice. We shake it up.
Full berries.
Full
You're
berries.
not crushing it.
And
you're not
because when
chopping
you're shaking it into a shaker, it crushed up by itself,
Okay.
right? Then you want to add some syrup, which is syrup is blueberry syrup
Mhm.
and the strawberry syrup.
Okay.
Then I add a little bit of pineapple juice and cranberry juice in it.
Okay. So, say for example, મારા ઘરે શેકર ના હોય તો
તમે મર્ડલ કરી શકો.
oh,
સેમ થિંગ મર્ડલ કરી શકો. અને આ રેસીપીમાં અમે મેલન લિક્યોર નાખીએ છીએ અને પીચ લિક્યોર બી નાખીએ છીએ અને ઓરેન્જ લિક્યોર બી નાખીએ છીએ. So it gives a more fruity, not strong alcohol in it, because
Those are fruity
yes,
flavors
fruity
liquor,
flavors.
I
As I
guess.
said, you can use this fruity flavor liqueurs, peach schnapps, melon liqueurs.
those who are already
Looking at-
drinking and into cocktails, mocktails
So,
will have a little
so
bit of
આ
idea.
તમે જ્યારે liquor use કરશો is not overpowering. You will not feel the alcohol in it.
Okay.
It's a flavorful liqueur in it. So always you can use the triple sec, which is also another orange liqueur,
Mhm.
right? So you can use those to add in it. You also want to add any hard liquor in it, like a gin or something like that. You can do
Okay.
that,
Okay. It's interesting.
right? So these are the drinks, and I will say, should I make one more or should I stop?
What do you guys think? Vote. Should we be making one more or should we stop here? Let's see. કે લોકોનું શું કેવું છે.
That's what the people say.
Yeah.
Let the take people and ask them how they like it. These
કેટલા
drinks.
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે એ લોકો આપણને ખબર પડશે. So I'm checking comments here and I think so. Yeah, they say looks delicious, super cool. But do you want to see one more drink? Are you still ready to spare some more few minutes? I think yes.
Yes. Okay.
I think yes. We
So,
should go for one more,
one more. Okay.
and that should be the last one.
That's the last one. And I will show you this time a kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink.
લ્યો, kitchen sink તો આપણે બધાના ઘરમાં હોય છે.
In a kitchen sink basically works. Whatever everything has to go is in a sink.
Mhm.
So you can put whatever you want to put into it.
And just call it a kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink.
Wow. Interesting.
Right? So there we go. So again, ice. So in this kitchen sink,
Mhm.
there is no such a written recipe.
Just put whatever.
Okay. So what I say, I have a lime here, chopped up lime. Chopped up lime. I have mint here. So I'm gonna put a mint here. Right? Say I have a cucumber. There's a cucumber here.
But chef, you know કે કયા
If you-
flavor કોની સાથે જશે.
If you have
મને-
tomatoes, you can add tomatoes. Right? Now I have pineapple here. So I will take this skin off. Right? So I will add pineapple. If you want spicy, you can add a jalapeno in it. It makes it sweet and spicy.
Mhm.
Okay? Now, I have a raspberry here. So I'll add raspberry. I have blueberry here. I will add blueberry. That's why it's called a kitchen sink.
Wow.
Some. This. I will add coconut syrup in it. Right. I will add a little bit sugar, a little bit black salt, and a little bit jeera powder. It's toasted jeera powder. And that's all. Shake it out.
So kitchen will just be shaked up.
Right. So in this one, if you want to add, in this one, if you want to add any vodka, you can do that. If you want to add any gin in it, you can do that. You can add Jim Beam, Jack Daniel, bourbon, you can do that. So you can add any liquor you want. It will be go very balanced, like a hard liquor kind of
But
thing.
yeah, a strong one.
Strong one. So because there's a lots of fruits and vegetables in it, so you want to add a little bit stronger liquor in it, like a gin. You want to add Jack Daniel. You want to add whiskey if you want, right?
Okay.
So this one, when you will come out, you will see a very nice color. Right. Stir it up. I might use a martini glass for this. This is a martini glass.
Do you want to see here?
Yeah, you can pour it, Gayatri. You
Or no?
can.
No, you can go ahead.
Right? You watch this. Look at the color.
Wow.
This is
મારું
a
મોઢું પોળું જઈ જવાનું છે.
kitchen sink.
Amazing.
So as you
Really
say,
amazing.
all different color, all different things there. It's not hard. It's very easy. When you go to the restaurants, nice hotels, when you see this, you always say, "Wow, how you guys make this?"
It is. It is.
Right?
Wow, no wow presentation with chef.
Right? We can add slice of lemon. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drinks.
7 drinks today, man. આજે બસ ક્યાંય જવું નથી, આ બધા ડ્રિંક્સ લઈને પેટીઓ પર બેસી જવું છે એવું છે. It is so nice. It is so refreshing and it looks so
That's-
pretty. It is beautiful, chef. Thank you so much.
No problem. Anytime. And if you want to join drinks like this, come to my patio.
Of course, of course. So again, once again, dine-in is open. Patios to khula છે જ. 4 to 12 is the timing during the long weekend and weekend. So don't forget to call Mirch Masala, make your appointment and reserve your table and do come here to enjoy beautiful drinks and delicious food. આપણે પહેલાં પણ ઘણી બધી રેસિપીઝ જોઈ છે અને શેફ આગળ પણ આપણને મળતા રહેશે અને સારું સારું આવું શીખવાડતા રહેશે. So chef, thank you so
No
much
problem.
and we
Yeah.
are really thankful that you shared all these wonderful recipes and it was nice. It was a great time here. Thank you all and hope you all enjoyed. Do leave your comments and do watch these videos for your reference. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.